Please welcome solver Rajesh Anandan, CEO Ultra Testing.
Hi, everyone. Let's start with a brain break. Your challenge is to complete this image, not that one, is to complete this image and place each tile into the right place in the fewest moves possible. You need to simulate those moves in your head, not write it down, and be able to recall it in exactly the right sequence. Okay, go. Okay, stop. All right, to be fair, that's probably not enough time for you to solve the challenge. But it might have been for my colleague David, who's one of our data quality engineers at Ultra, a software and data quality engineering firm on a mission to prove that neurodiversity, including autism, is a competitive advantage in business. Now, businesses today operate in unfathomably complex ecosystems. And as you're hearing, while big data and machine learning and AI can drive tremendous value across the enterprise, they also come with hidden risks and costs. Is your analytics platform accurate? Do you know if the results of your machine learning model can be trusted? Is your AI system unbiased? Now, we all need teammates like my colleague David, who can not only visualize a system and comprehend it deeply, but also interrogate it to make sure that the thing that we're building is working the way it's supposed to. Finding the right talent is mission critical for all of us, and it's getting harder and harder. There are 8 million open jobs in the US right now, and that number has quadrupled in the last decade, from 2 million to 8 million. And the problem's particularly acute in fields like engineering and analytics. But there is a massive talent pool right here in the US that's being overlooked. There are 4 million Americans on the autism spectrum. And every year, 50,000 young adults turn 18 and enter the workforce who are autistic. And yet, 85% of this talent pool are unemployed or underemployed because they're wired differently. But being wired differently is not a disadvantage. Neurodiversity frames neurological differences, including autism, not as disorders, but as naturally occurring variations in the human brain. And that framing allows us to focus on real, actual abilities, as opposed to getting stuck on perceived disabilities. And autistic adults have many abilities that can be invaluable in the workplace. Abilities like pattern recognition, systems thinking, logical reasoning, learning agility, focus. At Ultra, these abilities fuel our performance as a company, and whenever one of our teams has been benchmarked, we've blown away the competition, outperforming global IT firms like IBM or Capgemini. We're 5 years old, growing fast and profitable. Ultra provides world-class software and data quality engineering services to a wide range of Fortune 500 firms and tech startups and digital consultancies. And we've built the world's first fully remote workplace for autistic talent, with colleagues in 20 states around the US, 75% of whom are on the autism spectrum, and 100% of whom believe that our differences as individuals make us better together. And now we want to take everything we've learned and share our business practices and tools so that other employers can embrace neurodiversity as part of their strategies. And ultimately, we want to push every company towards a universal workplace where everyone, no matter how we're wired, has a fair shot at success. I'm Rajesh Anandan, one of the founders of Ultra. I'm here with Art Scheckman, who's in the audience, my other co-founder, and we hope you'll join us. Thank you.